Hitler massacred 3 million Jews. There is 3 million drug addicts. I'd be happy to slaughter them.
Isang staff ng senador umano ang nabistong nagmamariwana sa loob ng Senado.
Mahigit 50 milyong pisong halaga ng marijuana ang nadiskubre.
Hindi bababa sa 3,000 mga tanim ng marijuana.
Detay naman na po namin ito. Okay na po bahala. Ilan po ba sila, sir? 5 po. 2 na lang.
Pagdating ng mga kapulisan, agad na isiniguro ang lugar at kinausap ang mga estudyante upang makapagsagawa ng maayos na pangangalap na ebidensya.
Sir, pero lang po.
Nakumpiskahan ng mga estudyante ng pinagbabawal na gamot at agad isinagawa ang nararapat na pag-aresto alinsunod sa mga itinakdang pamantayan sa tamang paghawak, pag-iingat at disposisyon ng ebidensya na may kaugnayan sa pinagbabawal na gamot.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling stronger. What's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. The love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last time. Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every